Hey, I was sent this panel light right here so I could make this video for you, so I have to thank my sponsors before opening it up like this. So here's the box that the light comes in. It's about 7 inches wide by about 5 inches deep and roughly 10 inches tall. So it does come with a set of directions for you that show you the operating temperature, some safety and warnings, the tools that you're going to need for it, as well as how to put it all together, as well as some diagrams down here. It comes with a template here that's a 6-inch hole cutout, as well as a set of the panel lights, it looks like right here, that are individually wrapped. And then some more of the components that you can see that I accidentally dropped there, but they're okay. These come with little connecting cables right here, as well as a switch right here that controls the temperature of the light. And it goes from 5000K to 2700K. Now these actually open up like this, and they have some connectors inside of a bag right here, as well as access to these black, white, and green wires here that all have these prepared ends on them. Hopefully I can get a good image of that for you right there. And here's the panel light right here. Got a nice texture to it, looks really stylish. Got some durable springs, it feels like here, 2 of them. A nice foam protective mat here along the edge of the entire thing. And it looks like it has a diameter of about 6 3/4 of an inch, a little under that actually. But really lightweight and looks really cool. So with the stylish panels here, the functional and useful supply case, and the template, it looks like it's going to be really easy to put it together, especially with the included instructions.